Welcome to the Minus Method, to live your life fully and enjoyably every day, minus the challenges that have been holding you back. Your Minus Method session is intended to place you into a hypnotic state of consciousness. Please do not listen to this session while driving or operating any vehicle or machinery, or at any other time which requires your full awakened attention. Find yourself a place now where you can be very relaxed, a place where you can sit or lie down comfortably, a place just for you, and just get into a comfortable position. Just make yourself comfortable. And gently allow your eyelids to close. And just begin to allow yourself to relax. Letting all of your cares and worries go. And at this moment in time, nothing matters. As you switch off your thoughts and just allow time for yourself so that you can unwind completely. As you begin to feel more and more relaxed, letting go of any worries or problems that may have been on your mind lately. And there is no need to fight any unwanted negative thoughts, as they will soon drift out of your mind again, just as easily as they came. I would like you to take a couple of deep breaths, slowly filling your lungs with air. And as you exhale, you will relax more and more. With every breath out, as you gently slow your breathing down, you begin to feel more and more relaxed, more and more comfortable. You will feel your whole body sinking down. And you will notice how relaxed your whole body has become, from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. Your eyelids have become very heavy and may even twitch at this moment as you let go of any tension in your body. And all of the muscles in your jaw have become limp and relaxed as your jaw sinks down and your tongue rests gently on the bottom of your mouth. and you are beginning to drift down deeper and deeper, feeling more and more relaxed with every word I speak. And as this wave of relaxation spreads down your neck and shoulders, all the way down to your arms and to your fingertips, you may feel a tingling sensation in your fingertips as your arms grow as heavy as lead, and you soon become aware of a growing, peaceful feeling inside, a feeling of calmness and contentment as you feel every muscle in your chest and abdomen become loose and relaxed, and all the muscles in your back are relaxing, almost like a mental massage, and all the way down your spine. Your muscles loosen and relax, and as you drift down deeper and deeper relaxed, you let this wave of relaxation spread all the way down your legs, so that your legs become as heavy as lead, and every muscle in your legs becomes limp and relaxed, so that you are completely relaxed from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. And as the outside world fades more into the background, as you begin your journey into your own inner world, to that unique part of you that only you can go, you continue to let go of any negative thoughts or feelings, and any sounds around you or in the distance will fade into the background. The only sound that will matter to you will be the sound of my voice, which will continue to take you deeper and deeper into a wonderful state of relaxation. And you may soon find that your mind begins to wander, and it doesn't matter where you drift, where you go. My voice will travel with you at all times, so that you will continue to respond to me on a subconscious level. And in a few moments' time, you will hear me say the word now. And when you hear me say the word now, all the unnecessary nervous tension is going out of your body, and your body will continue to sink down, becoming more and more limp, more and more relaxed, and comfortable too. Now. Just feel yourself sinking down your head sinking down, becoming even more comfortable, feeling completely at peace and calm and content as you continue to drift down, really enjoying this wonderful feeling of complete relaxation. And there may be times when you will not be aware of your body. You won't be aware of your body at all as you continue to go deeper and deeper relaxed, deeper and deeper relaxed. You are now completely relaxed. You are relaxed and open to any positive suggestions I will now provide your subconscious mind. These suggestions will work powerfully on a subconscious level and will make great changes over the way you think, over the way you behave, and over the way you act. All of these changes and suggestions will be for your own good and will stay with you for as long as they are helpful to you. You are a confident person. You are in control of your fate. You take time each day to spend time on yourself. You find yourself becoming so completely interested in any task in which you involve yourself that your thoughts become completely distracted away from any troubles you may experience. You find yourself feeling happier each day. You find yourself taking great pleasure in the things around you. You find it easy each day to relax and enjoy life. You smile more and more. The more you smile, the happier you feel. The happier you feel, the more happiness is directed your way. You attract and receive what you put out in the universe. You attract happiness. You attract peace. Each day, you are feeling more and more safe and secure. You feel comfortable. You find yourself able to relax and enjoy yourself. Any anxiety you felt is simply a thing of the past. You find it almost seems like anxiety belongs to another person. You are comfortable. You are safe. You are able to go out of your comfort zones because you know you are safe. You relax. You take deep breaths and become more comfortable. You attract safety. You attract peace and comfort. You find yourself mentally healing. Imagine now a ray of warm, soft, golden light encompassing your body. You feel safe in this warm, healing glow. And you somehow know, almost instinctively, this light is healing you. This light takes away any emotional baggage. The more you heal, the more light descends upon you, warming you, helping you. You become stronger each day. You attract emotional healing. You are in control. And now, in just a moment, I'm going to count from 1 up to 5. When I get to the number 5, you will be alert and awake, feeling good and refreshed. 1, emerging now from this hypnotic state. 2, 3, feeling so good. 4, and 5, eyes wide open now.